Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and Ayah 178. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumul qisasu fil qatla. Al-hurru bil-hurri wal-abdu bil-abd. Wal-untha bil-untha. فمن عفي له من أخيه شيء فاتباع بالمعروف وأداء إليه بإحسان ذلك تخفيف من ربكم ورحمة فمن اعتدى بعد ذلك فله عذاب أليم. O you believe, the requital compensation in killing, murdering has been written over you, believers. That the free liberated man is with the free liberated man, the slave is with the slave, and the female is with the female. Then who is being pardoned from his brother, something is for him to be paid, given. Then he should follow with acknowledgement, and the payment should be with goodness to him. That is lightening, reduction, and a mercy from your Lord. And whosoever transgresses, then for him is a painful punishment. Now this ayah is directly a hukum or the governance or the Torah or the mother of the book. O who you believe, Kutiba alaykumul qisasu fil qatla. In killing, there is a requital and compensation for you. If somebody kills, what you have to do? You kill back? No. Now it says you have to give the compensation. It is said that the free liberated man, if suppose you have somebody has killed a free liberated man among the believers, so you can ask the compensation according to his status. The compensation should be according to status of the free liberated man. Then if he's a slave, then the compensation or requital should be according to the status of the slave. Similarly, the female is with the female. These are the standards that the requital according to the status of the liberated man or a slave man or a female according to status. He has to pay a payment. You can ask payment from him. This is the education to the believers, not to retaliate. Idfa billati ahsan, repel evil with goodness. You can ask for compensation, and then he should pay with acknowledgement, and the payment should be with goodness. You understand what I'm saying? That if somebody has killed somebody, this is the qisas or the requital compensation against the killing or murdering that Allah does not allow for in the first place. If something is done by you or somebody else, so you have to give the compensation or the requital in that, and he should be forgiven. As he says, whoever has been pardoned from his brother, something is for him to be paid. Then he should follow with acknowledgement, and the payment should be with goodness to him. That is the lightening, reduction, and a mercy from your Lord. If you will do that, then the hurtness or the badness you will suffer of the killing. If somebody has killed my brother, the hurtness that I'll face if I take the compensation of my slave person or of a free man or of a female, if I take the compassion which Allah is asking me to say, so it will be a reduction for me, a pain and a reduction and mercy from your Lord. And the one who is also suppose a believer and he has mistakenly done this, then he is also can do this, and he'll be the reduction and mercy from who transgresses. And whosoever transgresses, then for him is the painful punishment. If you take things in your own hand, means you do the same badness, then the punishment is from your Lord. فَمَنِ اعْتَدَى بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ, whoever transgresses against this law, then Allah said, then for him is a painful punishment. And Allah can take, he can take very easily punish. He can punish all of us in this world and in the hereafter for taking. This is not difficult for him to do so. So now we go to the further page. This is general killing, and now qisas I have explained. And now if you kill a believer, what is the qisas or the compensation or a requital for a believer if you kill a believer? Surah Nisa 4 and ayah 92, وَمَا كَانَ لِمُؤْمِنٍ أَن يَقْتُلَ مُؤْمِنًا إِلَّا خَطَأً وَمَنْ قَتَلَ مُؤْمِنًا خَطَأً فَتَحْرِيرُ رَقَبَةٍ مُؤْمِنَةٍ وَدِيَةٌ مُسَلَّمَةٌ إِلَى أَهْلِهِ إِلَّا أَن يَصَّدَّقُوا فَإِنْ كَانَ مِنْ قَوْمٍ عَدُوٍّ لَكُمْ وَهُوَ مُؤْمِنٌ فَتَحْرِيرُ رَقَبَةٍ مُؤْمِنَةٍ وَإِنْ كَانَ مِنْ قَوْمٍ بَيْنَكُمْ وَبَيْنَهُمْ مِيثَاقٌ فَدِيَةٌ مُسَلَّمَةٌ إِلَى أَهْلِهِ وَتَحْرِيرُ رَقَبَةٍ مُؤْمِنَةٍ فَمَنْ لَمْ يَجِدْ فَصِيَامُ الشَّهْرَيْنِ مُتَتَابِعَيْنِ تَوْبَةً مِنَ اللَّهِ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ عَلِيمًا حَكِيمًا. And it is not for a believer that he kills a believer except by mistake. You are not supposed to kill a believer. First of all, you are not supposed to kill anyone. Now if suppose you are not even supposed to kill a believer, by mistake mean accidentally, if you have killed a believer, so whosoever kills a believer by mistake, khatan, he should liberate a free a believing slave. Remember, if you by mistake kill a believer in the nearness of Allah, then you have to free a believing slave. Before it was general, now it's believing slave. And pay flawlessly uncontested blood money towards his family. Meaning whatever they ask for you, you have to, no contest. You have to do it flawlessly, uncontested blood money you have to pay. Except they give charity by forgiving. Then if he is from the people who are your enemy, and he was a believer, then he should liberate a free believing slave. If this person, he was among the enemy, but he was a believer, and you have killed him by mistake, so you have to liberate a free believing slave, only one. And if he is from the people wherewith between you and between them there is a covenant, then pay flawlessly uncontested blood money towards his family, and he should liberate free a believing slave. But if there is a covenant between you, between the believers and some other group, whether they are believer or non-believers, but if you are there a covenant, and if you have killed the believer among from that group and he was a believer, then you have to liberate again a believing slave, and uncontested blood money also to be given. Now, if you do not find this, if you are not able to do this, then you have to fast for 2 months consecutively. You know the fasting of month of Ramadan? You have to do fast 2 months consecutively. If you cannot do this, then Allah, that is, Allah said, Tawbatan min Allah. That is the way of returning repentance from Allah. Wa kana Allahu aliman hakeeman, and Allah is knower wise. So we are not allowed to kill a believer in the first place. Non-believer or believer, we are not allowed. But if you kill a believer by mistake, then you have to free the believing slave, and uncontested blood money you have to give by mistake. But however, in further ayah, Surah Nisa 4 and ayah 93, وَمَنْ يَقْتُلْ مُؤْمِنًا مُتَعَمِّدًا فَجَزَاؤُهُ جَهَنَّمُ خَالِدًا فِيهَا وَغَضِبَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وَلَعَنَهُ وَعَدَّ لَهُ عَذَابًا عَظِيمًا. And whosoever kills a believer intentionally, purposely, then his reward is hell, and he will remain in it forever. And the wrath, anger, and the curse of Allah is for him, and he has prepared a great punishment for him. Now if you know that he is a believer, and you intentionally, knowingly, purposely you kill that believer, then your reward is hell. No forgiveness. This is a very important ayat. If you kill by mistake, it's forgiven, possible. But if you know somebody is a believer and you intentionally kill the person, then there is no forgiveness for you at all. That is very clear. Whosoever kills a believer intentionally, purposely, then his reward is hell, and he will remain in it forever, and the wrath of anger and the curse of Allah on him, and he has prepared a great punishment.